you you could cut your lawn right now? Who gave you the right? I want to see your permit. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a Get Ready With Me self-care edition. Cause not gonna lie, I woke up this morning feeling a little lousy. So today we are going to doll ourselves up to make ourselves feel better. So before we start, feel free to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of every time I upload. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so our first order of self-care business is to do our makeup. So, I am now going to show you what I typically use. These. You're like, what are these? Okay, I got this recently. It is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. The spoolie is different than any other brow pencil I've ever seen. Like, it's more of a brush than a spoolie. So far, I like it. I just like do what I normally do, just brush it up and then brush it down in order to shape them. And then I just like to fill them in. Ooh, you definitely don't have to push as much as with the Kat Von D pencil line, brow pencil. It just kind of like goes on like buttery. Ooh, looks better already. What have you guys been up to lately? Personally, me, I've been watching a lot of cartoons. I don't know why, it's just kind of like where I'm at right now. I kind of like already love this pencil more than the Kat Von D one, and it's like $2 cheaper. You already know. You already know. Now I've done the brows, I'm gonna move on to the contour. Imagine just walk out the house like, hey guys, what's up? So this is typically what I do when I kind of like wake up feeling lousy. Like, I'll put on some makeup, pick out a fire fit and just like chill, or I'll like go for a car ride while I'm in that fire fit, you know? I mean, like, if you make a fire fit, people have to see it one way or another. The sun keeps going in and out and it's honestly like so frustrating. It's kind of just like, can you pick what your mood is for today? Keep it together. I don't know, maybe I'll take Instagram pictures too. Maybe you guys will see that. Okay, so I'm done contouring. Snatched. So now we're gonna move on to eyeliner. I like you need to buy a bigger size of this eyeliner. It is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. There's been so much going on in the world, it's kind of like exhausting. It's kind of like system overload, you know? How have you guys been dealing with it? Have you guys been dolling yourself up? Have you guys been like meditating or watching TV shows to cope with everything that's going on in the world? That sounded like such a deep question, but like, I don't know, I just want to know. Do you have any tips and tricks to self-care that I didn't mention in my last video? Because if so, please comment down below. I would love to like hear them, and I'd also love to try them out. Okay, so now we're gonna do lipstick, because I honestly don't do a lot of makeup anymore. I used to do like a lot, like, you know, the foundation, concealer, highlight. I don't know, maybe I will do highlight this time. Actually, I think I'm gonna do highlight, but I am gonna do the lipstick first. So I'm gonna show you the current combination that I'm obsessed with, which is This is Clapback from Robin Rihanna Fenty, and this is Shoddy. Shoddy I use so much. This is how high it goes. Like, I'm at the end of my rope. I definitely need to reorder it, but it's such a cute color. Like, I love it. Anyway, I like to line my lips with it. Fill it in a little bit. And then going with Clapback in the middle. So like, but it's just like ever so slightly. So this like darkens it into like a deeper brown that I'm like currently in love with. I made it a little bit too dark, so when I do that, I usually just go back in with the brown over top of it a little bit. That was really loud. So yeah, it gives like a really cute like nude moment. I'm gonna put on a little highlight to highlight my mood. Did that work? No? Okay. So my friend gave me this Kylie highlight called Fiji. It's a loose powder. I don't know if you can see it. It's like, it's cute. I don't use a lot of it though because it's a little bit light. So I'll typically just like tap my finger in it a little bit, blow off the excess, and then just like boop bop, peep bop, boop bop, bow.
Badabop, boom, pow.
So yeah, and then I go in with my Fenty Beauty brush. Is this a get ready with me or a makeup tutorial? Who knows at this point? Oh my god, I almost spilled all of that on the floor. That would have been a tragedy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I feel like I literally beat it into oblivion. Like, it kind of looks like it's not there, but that's the type of look I like. Like, ever so subtle. Okay, so on to the other side. It's okay. It's cool. So, yeah. So, I think that does it for our makeup right now. I'm now going to search my closet and try and find a really cute fit. Yeah, like I honestly feel like better already. I don't know if you could tell from the intro to now. Like, I'm starting to feel like better. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I found a fit and I really like it. It's this top. It's like really cute. And these pants. And they're like really cute. I buckled them under because they're a little long. So we have gotten ready. We are now ready to slay at home, but also slay our self-love. Like, oh my god, wait. I should put on jewelry. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and let's just say I did that. So obviously you guys have seen these earrings on me already. I'm in love with them, and that's why I literally haven't stopped wearing them. They're from Dailyy Thrift, yada yada yada. Sid 10, you know the deal. I don't know where I got this necklace from. I've had this for so long, but I barely ever wear it because that's just how I am. But it just really goes with this outfit. Like, it sets the whole tone, you know, like. No matter what, I'm still gonna be a goofball. So now I think we're gonna take some pictures because I'm really feeling myself, but I also like don't really wanna like go anywhere. I just wanna like sit pretty in my house. But I'm gonna take a couple photos now. So yeah, I kind of want to try that smizing thing that that Tyra Banks does. So I saw somewhere that you're supposed to smile and then take the smile away but leave the smiling eyes. I don't know if I just look crazy or if I'm like doing it or like, I don't know. I'm gonna take pictures now. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished taking pictures and let's just say I kind of did that. I kind of did that. I kind of did. So here are some of the photos that I took just now. So yeah, I honestly do feel a lot better than I felt earlier. Earlier I felt like really lousy, but now, I don't know, I feel like bubbly. I don't know what that was, but it was supposed to mean bubbly. But yes, I am now in Are they gonna be quiet outside? Or... Okay, so it doesn't look like they're gonna be quiet outside, so if you hear anything else, it's not my fault. I am so excited to sit fashionably on my couch and watch Daria, because that is the show that I'm currently obsessed with. Yes, I know, I should just do like an update every week, like what show am I obsessed with now? But I'm obsessed with Daria, you know, the old like 90s or... Who told you could cut your lawn right now? Who gave you the right? I want to see your permit. It's okay. It's okay. Back to what I was saying. I'm so excited to rock this fashionable outfit while I eat Funyuns and watch Daria or the regular show, because I started both of them the same day, which was like maybe like 3 days ago, and now I just like go back and forth. Yeah, I'm kind of living my best life right now. Cartoons are where it's at. Life is too stressful. I can't deal with live action right now. So currently I am obsessed with cartoons. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. Comment down below what you ended up doing today or what you plan on doing today. Before you go, remember to like and subscribe and put on post notifications if you haven't already, so you get notified of every time I upload. And I will see you next week. Love you. Bye.